Hi everyone and welcome to the Pink Firewall. I am Chi, a cybersecurity enthusiast, and here to talk about Advent of Cyber. What is Advent of Cyber? TryHackMe hosts this online event every year called Advent of Cyber, and you get to learn cybersecurity for free with 24 beginner friendly challenges starting from December 1st, and you get a chance to win prizes of worth over $150,000. It's completely free. Anyone can join. As I already say, beginner friendly, whether you're a newbie or you've been in the industry for a while and you just want to have fun with a few challenges and get to win prizes. Everybody is welcome. You get to receive a certificate to celebrate your achievement at the end. I'm thrilled about that. And yeah, so as I already said, it starts 1st of December 2025. The challenges drop every day at 4 p.m. And to enter, all you have to do is register an account on TryHackMe, and I will drop the link in the description below so it's easy for you. You will learn a lot. Some some things included exploitation with curl, phishing detection, AWS security, and we have been given the best in the industry. Definitely worth it. And there is always a storyline every year. So this year, snow falls over Warville, but the spirit of Sockmas is under siege. Maxkidi is gone, and King Malaya is spreading chaos from Hopsick Island, hijacking present systems and joy itself. Only you can uncover the truth, stop Isthmus, and save Sockmas once again. I am truly excited for this. It's going to be my first Advent of Cyber as well. So if you're new, no worries, we're in this together. They've provided us a warm up room so you get a feel of what Advent Cyber is all about and how the challenges will look like. I really hope to see you there. I really hope that you participate. It's going to be worth it and it's going to be amazing.